Hello everyone. Today I'm showing you adjusting tilt shift of a picture by PicsArt. Okay, then let's start it. First of all, share it to PicsArt and then go to Tools and click on tilt shift. So sometimes we want to show the main point of a picture, so you can easily use tilt shift of pictures for focus this. Just adjusting them like this and then focus on it. Okay, it's done. Let's click the tick mark and save it. Thank you for watching.